The following is an ESG video blog.
Cybersecurity is hard, and it's getting harder. In fact, in a recent ESG research report, we learned that 79% of security professionals believe that network security is more difficult than it was 2 years ago. This changes for a number of reasons. It's the dangerous threat landscape, it's IT complexity, but 21% of those people who said that network security was more difficult today pointed to their use of cloud computing as one of the reasons why it's becoming more difficult. Cloud computing isn't something we can ignore. In fact, 41% of organizations are using infrastructure as a service today, and 35% are using platform as a service today, and this will only increase. So you've got security issues and you've got the increased use of cloud computing, and that's sort of a perfect storm of problems because cloud computing is virtual. There are lots of different cloud platforms, and cloud computing is often driven by the application development team using agile development and DevOps. So they need to do things very quickly and they're moving workloads around a lot. That's antithetical to security where change is the enemy. And so I've talked to a lot of companies and they're asking what they do about this. They've invested lots of money into security controls and security processes, and those are really dedicated to the physical infrastructure of the data center. So how do they extend that goodness to the cloud without a totally redundant infrastructure? So what can they use and what can't they use? What do they need to see? What visibility do they need? What controls do they need in the cloud? Are those controls different? And when cloud workloads move around, what does that do to regulatory compliance? The users I'm talking to are really struggling with these issues, and thus ESG wants to do some research around this area. We're already talking to a lot of end user customers, big data center customers, but they're struggling with this issue. So we want to continue those qualitative interviews, and we want to supplement that with some quantitative data. And that's really what we're looking to do here because there are a lot of questions to answer. There's a lot of confusion in the market, and we want to find out what's going on and really help find some solutions here.